Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. You're tuned in to Living Modestly Naturally. Hi, I'm RachelHarris. If this is your first time tuning in, welcome, welcome, welcome. And to all my new and return subscribers, I want to say thank you for the support. In this video, I will be showing you how to make a multi-purpose cleansing paste. Okay, this cleaning paste is gonna be so easy to use, so effective. You can use this paste on your bathroom surfaces or in your kitchen or any other surface that can tolerate the ingredients that will be added in this mixture. Okay, this paste will also be able to clean a lot of tough stains, which I will show you as this video progresses. I will show you towards the end how to use this paste. Okay, so without further ado, let's get started with the mixing. So first you need half a cup of baking soda. And the baking soda that I suggest you use is, you can use any brand of baking soda you like, but just make sure that the baking soda you use is for deodorizing and also for cleaning too. So I'm using half a cup, pour into here, get all of that. Next, I have 1/3 cup of dish washing soap. Any soap of your choice that you have around the house, okay, you can use. So this is 1/3 cup. Pour it all in here. Use a spoon, gather all this. Okay, so now once it's in there, what you want to do is stir. As you can see, I didn't use any water, and I will show you again as this video progresses. You will see why I didn't use water in this mixture. Okay, so we're going to stir it really well. Okay, it's very simple, very easy. All right, and after it's mixed really well, I want to make sure all the lumps and everything is gone. All right, now that's done. So I made enough for a 4 ounces. So these little containers here I have is 2 ounces each. So I'll be pouring the mixture into these. So I got some here. Let's set this aside. So I'll pour some in here. Okay, pour some in here. So this is how you store it. You could use any container of your choice, but I have these around, so I'm using these. And make sure you label your container. So this is what it looks like. And I'm gonna fill up this one. Fill the rest up in this one. And there you have it. You got your paste. Now the fun part is where I show you how to use this paste. Show you how to use this paste. Okay, so there you have this, what it looks like, the consistency. Okay, now that we've made the paste, now I'm going to show you how to use the paste. So whenever you need to clean your surface, all you do is take 1 teaspoon. This little spoon is half a teaspoon, so I'm going to put in twice. It's 1, 2, okay. So that's 1 teaspoon of the paste. Then just a few drops of water. Just a little bit of water, not too much. Just a little bit. Be careful because you don't want it to be too runny. Then you mix that around. Okay, mix the water with the paste. All right, and then what you want to do now next, you want to take a scour pad. This is a heavy-duty scour pad to use to give you the extra fighting action to get rid of the hard stain. But just be careful when you're rubbing, that's all, so that it doesn't scratch the surface. And then, so you're gonna take your scour pad, dip it in the concoction you need, and then on the stain, you just simply start to, see how that's lifting up right there? And if you need more, you go in. See, you go in, scoop up some more, and then keep going. Okay? Keep going. Gotta get all the crevices all around here. Get all in there. Then next, sorry, I found a spot. Alright, I'm just gonna go over it a little bit more. Then you want to take a wet rag. This is a wet rag, but what I'm going to do, I'm going to add a little bit more warm water to this rag. Okay, so add a little bit more warm water to the rag and wringed it out, the excess water. And now I'm just going to go over it to clean off this, the solution. Okay. I'm gonna wet the rag again. Alright. Go over it again once more. Okay. There you go. I have a little, I know there's a little stain in here. I'm gonna go over that once again. Just a little bit. A bit of a, like, when it comes to cleaning, I'm very, you know, very detailed when I clean. Yeah. So, there you have it. All clean. I hope you give this a try. Well, I cleaned it with this, and can't forget a dry rag. This is just to finish off the work. So there you go. Just to dry off the surface. To finish. Alright. So I put this back. Alrighty. And so that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this helped you. I've been using this mixture for a while now, and I use it in my bathroom, and I use it in my kitchen, or any tough stains that's able to withstand the baking soda and the dishwasher liquid. Please give this a try. This is worth it, and plus you save money. You know, when you make this is gonna go a long way. A little bit goes a long way. As you can see, the little bit I used was able to take care of that stain, and I still got a little tiny bit more left. So Thank you so much for watching. If you reached this far, let me know in the comment section if you're willing to give this a try. And until next time, stay tuned for all my upcoming DIYs that I will be having on this channel for you all. Thanks again, and remember, aim for modesty, carry beauty naturally, and may Jesus Christ dwell in you. So I'll see you all in the next video. Later.